Have you ever wanted to make an applique right on your embroidery machine? On the Pfaff Creative Icon 2, we have what is called the Applique Creator. And you're going to notice it almost goes to a whole nother screen. And this is a little different than Shape Creator because we can still pick our shape, but we're going to get something totally different to go around it. So you've got different shapes here. You also have letters, which you can make super large. You can actually make this letter the maximum size of your biggest hoop, and it will do that size. It's pretty awesome. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to pick how about a boot? Why not, right? Okay, so here are our options for stitches. So the first one I would recommend is checking out what is called the Load the Autofill stitch. So that would be, for example, a satin stitch or a stitch that has a little bit more kind of flare to each side. All these stitches are highly used for going around a applique. Now, remember when you do an applique, you get like first the line that stitches, and then you place your fabric down and it stitches it again, and then you cut out around that shape. This is then the shape it finishes stitching over the raw edge. So you have all these fun options. You can see what that would look like. You do have the way to kind of do some editing to those stitches. You can come in here and play around with it a little bit. But I want to show you, you actually have the option to bring in designs. So you could load designs in as a applique instead. So if we touched and added this, you would then add however many of those little blue flowers you want. So here we'll do plus, but you can actually touch the number and then type in your own amount, or you can use any decorative stitch from the machine. You probably want to like pick ones that are more appropriate for that stitch so you can see what those look like as well. So you can see I'm actually adding those in, and you can add them all the way around the design. You can duplicate them, you can delete them, you can see what it's going to look like before you stitch, and when you touch OK, then that will be the stitch that will stitch after you have trimmed your design all the way around. And you can see and try out some really cool applique shapes. By the way, your shapes you can make bigger, and I said fill up the size of your hoop. You can make them smaller, and you can embellish them with not only the default features of stitches, but you can also bring in embroiderable stitches and other decorative stitches as well.